Alright, we have our C3287 LED flasher kit. Here it is right in here. Comes with these complete instructions, skill level 1. In here you're going to have a parts list of all the parts that are included to solder. Our assemblers make sure that every one of these parts is in there. Here is the parts layout. So when you're designing this, there's the capacitor. It's there. There's the green LED. It has to be inserted a certain way, where the top there, that black indicator, that's the negative side, and the cathode and the anode is the opposite side there. If that's installed incorrectly, the light will not light up. Resistors, those can be installed in either direction. Same with this. The capacitor as well. This is an IC that has to be installed exactly how it is. There's a little notch, an indicator mark right there. I'm going to make sure that that is on the left hand side. Alright. As it illustrates there. Also illustrates the positioning of the LED. You have a resistor color code. Second page is how to assemble this kit. Theory of operation. Comes with a schematic, as well as a foil pattern of the PC board. Alright, well, without further ado, let's connect. Just some tape to keep it in place while I was photographing it. Here it is here. Here's the LED flasher kit. Just want to show you some of the solder connections. So if you are teaching a class, you can see what really brilliant solder connections are. This is done by our in-house tech. His name's Angel. Does a great job. And look how clean those are. Kind of little peaks in there. Then he takes in a trimmer cutter, cuts the ends off. Just wanted to brag about him a little bit because he does a really great job at this. And you know what, you're learning to solder, you know. And it's okay to solder again until you get it right, you know. You may have a cold solder joint. Put the solder back on there in the soldering iron and give it about a 2 to 3 second touch on there. Anyway, I think I've gone on that one plenty. Use a fresh battery. Oh, it's kind of small. Oh, cool. Maybe put this on your bike or anywhere else you'd like to have that object be noticed. Alright, that concludes the video.